In this daily drop, I'm going to talk about my favorite backpack when I'm not traveling with lots of equipment. So let's go. All right, everybody, just a couple more episodes here from the barn, and I don't think I've ever done an episode on this backpack. I'm obsessed with bags and backpacks and anything related to holding and transporting equipment and anything else that I'm taking on a trip. And about a year and a half, 2 years ago, I ordered a series of backpacks to try to find a slim backpack that I could take on my trips that was a little bit of a magic carpet bag, but not quite, meaning I didn't want it to be able to expand so much that I couldn't carry it, but I wanted it to have a little bit of flexibility. So this is the bag that I've been using for the past couple of years. Now, first of all, it does have the trolley strap right here so that you can attach it to a rolling bag or case. It has these funny little funky colored keys. I don't actually know what the purpose of those keys are. And then it has a number of different compartments. It has this side one right here, and the name of the company or the bag is BOPai, BOPai. Don't know anything about them. I've got this right here, which is my little bag, which has my power adapters, PD things, cabling, all of that fun stuff. There is a side pocket here. You can put your sunglasses, a small tripod, whatever else, water, if you want to travel with that. Good idea. And then this front pocket right here, which is where I usually keep my headphones. Those are my Sennheisers. There'll be some little things in here like hard drives and stuff like that. No little internal pockets with that one. And then the back compartment right here, which is the one where I keep paperwork, my laptop. This does have lots of different places, as you can see here, for pens and business cards and stuff. And then I'll put other stuff in the cavity of that front. But even fully expanded, it cannot get that large. Now, this is it. I mean, this is my go-to. I have lots of great backpacks and rolling cases from TENBA. And if I'm traveling with real equipment, then I'm going to be bringing those. But when it comes to my MacBook Pro, my headphones, all of that core stuff that I'm traveling with, my iPad mini goes inside of here. This is the one. How much do I love this bag? This is how much. You know, when you find something on Amazon, you don't know if they're ever going to have it again. And for some reason, they still have this bag. I think it cost me about $50 or $60 US. Of course. It's mush up here with the trip coming up. I will, of course, put the link in the description. This is it, the BOPai Slimline backpack. They have variations of this. This is the one that I love personally. Don't forget to, and I'll see you on the next episode of The Daily Drop.